So first connect your USB cable to your battery backup, and then connect the other end of the cable to your Synology NAS, either USB port on your Synology NAS. Now you'll go into your Synology NAS web interface, go to Hardware and Power. Once you're at Hardware and Power, go to UPS. Once you're at UPS, select Enable UPS Support. UPS type, you will select USB UPS, and then I just selected until battery low. And as it says here, in standby mode, all services are stopped and the volumes are unmounted to prevent data loss. Synology NAS will be powered off safely before the UPS device runs out of power. So that's how I set up my UPS for my Synology NAS. Hey y'all, iRick Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.